guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it's Boxycharm. And yes, I know I'm a little bit late in the month to do the August Boxycharm reveal, but I did have some issues with my camera, so you know, it had to go up late, or I had to record late. So I did use the opportunity to instead try the products out, swatch them before doing this video. So most of these products I have already used, and some of the products I have owned before or have purchased previously, so I am familiar with them. So this month's theme is Life of the Party, and let's get into it. Alright, so the theme for this month, as I said, was Life of the Party, and this box this month was actually curated by Lauralee. Now, I know there's been a lot of controversy with Lauralee over the past few weeks. I'm just going to jump straight into the items that are in the box. So the first one is the Lauralee palette. Now, I'm going to say I did give this a fair chance, and I was expecting a whole lot more out of this palette than I actually got. Or, you know, the quality of the shadows, I was really hoping for it to be, you know, quite good, and it didn't turn out that good for me. So even though I gave it a fair shot and I compared it against my Urban Decay electric palette, which for me is killer, it's the best Urban Decay eyeshadow palette that I have ever come across. So I did prime my hand with some eyeshadow primer, and I'm not gonna swatch all of the shades because honestly these shadows are not that great. I really was expecting a whole lot more, and I was excited to see the palette being offered. And this is not any indication or any way to be tied into all of the drama that's been going on. I decided to give this palette a fair shot separate from all of what was going on. This is the karaoke shade from the palette, and that's what you get. And Damage Control is the other one, and swatched, that's what you get. So this one, the level of patchy on Damage Control is unseen. It's a Party is another one from the palette, and for It's a Party, that's what you get. Another one, Dranks, that's Dranks, that's what you get. Now, I have to also say that when you try to blend these shadows together, they actually come off your eyelid. I don't know how else to say it, but this one was just definitely a disappointment for me. So I'm gonna move on to the other products. So just one last point before I move on, the Laura Lee palette, which is a Party Animal eyeshadow palette, the retail value for that is $19. Now I must also make a comment that the CEO for Boxycharm did already make a statement as far as Boxycharm and the association or dissociation of Boxycharm with the Laura Lee brand. So you guys can check the Boxycharm Instagram stories and the IGTV video that was posted by the Boxycharm CEO. There you can get all of how Boxycharm feels about the whole Laura Lee drama, saga, chaos. So the next product that I'm going to pick up now is the Tarte waterproof mascara. Now I did try this one out because I do run, and when I run sometimes I don't get a chance to remove all of my makeup. So this one is supposed to be a sweatproof mascara, if I said waterproof, sorry, and the brush is pretty good. I like the brush, and I did try it out, and it is pretty good with being waterproof, or sweatproof I should say, because I did put it on and go for a run and I didn't have raccoon eyes afterwards. And the only issue that I have is that the shade that I got was black brown, and I have black eyelashes, so putting on black brown mascara on black eyelashes, I kind of looked like my eyelashes were a little bit gray, kind of. So it wasn't that attractive for me. I didn't really like the shade, but the performance of the mascara was pretty good. So that's called Lifted, and that's from Tarte, and the retail value for that is $23. The next one, which I did not use because I'm not really a fan of lipstick palettes. I prefer individual lipsticks, so I didn't use this one, and I am probably gonna give this one away to a friend of mine or my sister, whichever one. So how do you open this again? Right, there we go. So this is the Smashbox Be Legendary Pucker Up palette, and these are the shades that come in the Pucker Up palette. It comes with its own brush. You get 6 shades, and some of these shades match with some of the liquid lipstick shades that Smashbox already has, so that's pretty good. So I mean, it's a good palette to use if you're someone who doesn't mind using lipstick palettes, but for me, I'm not a fan, so this one will probably go as a gift for someone who I know will appreciate it. The next one on the list is the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Now this one is sold at Sephora, and it normally comes in a box of 5. So Boxycharm had separated the boxes out, I guess, and has given each box, or each box will have 3 of these baggage claim gold eye masks. I do like these eye masks. They're pretty cool. You can't leave these on for too long. Like, you can't forget that you have them on, otherwise it will start to remove the moisture from underneath your eyes, which is not a good thing. So be careful when you use these. If it says to keep them on for 10 to 15 minutes, leave it on for the maximum amount of time that it says. So apply onto clean, dry under eyes, repeat on the other side, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes like I said, and discard after use. Gently pat remaining serum into skin for external use only. So really, if it says 15 minutes, don't do 16, don't do 17, 18, 19, 20 minutes. Take it off when it's 15 minutes and just pat the rest into your eyes. It's gonna have the same effect. So the retail value for the baggage claim, according to Boxycharm, is $13, but I'm gonna put a snapshot from the Sephora website that shows you guys how much the box of 5 is sold for, because I know I didn't pay $13 for the box of 5. So this is a pretty good product. I've used it before, like I said, and it does work. It does hydrate the under eyes. I tend to have drier under eyes, so yeah, this one is something that I now and again indulge in. Just to comment as well, this month we did get 6 full, well, I wouldn't say full size, because the Wonder Beauty was not 5 eye masks, it was just 3, but this month we did get 6 items. So it was an eyeshadow palette from Laura Lee, the lipstick palette, which not everybody got the lipstick palette. Some persons got variations of this, so some persons may have got a lipstick or a liquid lipstick, so it depends on which box you got. But all in all, it's 6 items that came in this month's box. So the liquid lipstick, the eyeshadow palette from Laura Lee, the eye masks, the mascara, and then these two that I'm about to go into. So this Bang Beauty is a chocolate colored eyeliner, and the retail value for this is $22. This is what it looks like. It's a chocolate shade. It's called Bang Beauty, and it's a chocolate eyeliner. I have not used this before, but it's supposed to be a gel eyeliner, and it's made in China. I'm gonna check on the website to see what the ingredients are, but for me this might be a little bit too light, so this might be better suited for someone who is a lighter skin tone, since this is gonna look kind of gray on my skin, so this may not work for dark skinned people. Now the last one on the list is the NCLA So Rich. It's a nail treatment, so it's a cuticle oil, and I do like this one. I did use it. So all you have to do is just put a drop there and massage it into your cuticle, and that's it. And it does smell nice. It does have a nice fragrance to it, and the retail value for this one is $18. Now, to be honest, I wouldn't be spending $18 for a cuticle oil because they do sell them in Ulta and Sally's, and it's not $18. And I've never really heard of this brand before, so I can't say that it's something that's so luxurious that I can't live without. So all in all, I have to say this month I was not wowed by the products in this month's box, and I really, like I said, had very high expectations for this palette, but it lived to disappoint me, unfortunately. So I'm gonna look out for what next month's box is gonna be. And also, guys, there is supposed to be the Boxy Lux, and that's supposed to start, or at least everyone will receive emails on the 1st of September in order for you to take advantage of or to buy into the Boxy Lux. So in that, you're supposed to get 10, or is it 11? You're gonna get 11 full-size products, and it will replace, if you opt in for the Boxy Lux, you won't get both the regular box and the Boxy Lux. You get just the Boxy Lux for the month of September, and you'll get all of the products that would come in the regular box, as well as the other products that will be included as the Boxy Lux. So guys, that's it for this month. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys got in your variation of Boxycharm for August, and I will try my best to put the September box reveal up way sooner than the end of the month. And I'll see you in my next video, so take care until that time. Bye guys.